Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today is the 1st of January 2020. It feels so unreal even saying that. Today is also the day a lot of people are going to be making a lot of resolutions and forgetting about them in a couple of weeks. But I wanted to do something different and sort of get my life together on the first day of the year. I definitely wanted to make an effort to start off the year on a good note and really develop some habits that I would hopefully carry on throughout the year. And by getting my life together, I simply just mean cleaning up my space, tidying up my room, developing some good habits. I've been eating kind of unhealthy. My room is a mess, so those are things that I definitely wanna focus on before I get back to college. Today is the 1st of Jan and my college starts on the 6th of December, which means I have 6 days to do whatever I want to do. I'm gonna focus on cleaning up my room, cleaning my wardrobe, cleaning my kitchen and my fridge up, and just cleaning around the house. The first thing on today's video's agenda is to clean my kitchen, so let's head downstairs, make some breakfast, and start off with that. Is my chores outfit. I'm wearing my blue pajama shorts and this tie-dye hoodie that y'all have seen in another video, and a lot of y'all seem to really like it. So yeah, that's the outfit. I just grabbed my hydro flask and my laptop and we're gonna head downstairs.
Yo, it's getting dark.
So this is my breakfast. I basically heated up some frozen aloo paratha and this is some dahi on the side, and I'm just gonna sit here, eat my breakfast, drink my water, and like watch some YouTube. So I just finished eating breakfast and doing my dishes, and the first thing I want to do in cleaning my kitchen is to deal with this. It's kind of a mess right now. Not all of it is mine. Some of these compartments are mine and some are Frida's. Hopefully by the time I'm done with it, it looks a lot better than that. So this is what it looks like right now. And now I'm just gonna insert a montage and we're gonna get to cleaning all of this up. Let's go. Got done arranging it and I feel like it's a lot more organized. I hope it looks more organized. So I just have my bread and my fruits here. Actually wait, I'm gonna put the oranges up as well. Much better. So I have my bread and my fruits, and here I just have my rice, sugar, some tea leaves, and my bonvita powder, and down here I have Nutella, jam, tea powder. These are some dry fruits that actually have to go up to my room, so we're just gonna take that out. Some chocolates my friend got me from the Netherlands. Apparently it's like a super famous chocolate, so I'm just gonna keep that back here. Coming here, I just have some cookies and some other things. My ketchup bottle wouldn't fit in any of these compartments, so I had to put it down there. But yeah, it's a lot more organized. I feel like I can find things way more easily. So we're done with that. Now I'm gonna move on to cleaning my fridge. So now I'm just gonna move on to cleaning my fridge. Again, the fridge is not all my things. It is a shared fridge. So I'm just gonna focus on cleaning out whatever that I don't need. So I don't think there's gonna be a big before and after for the fridge because a lot of the things aren't mine. So I'm just gonna be cleaning whatever things are mine. just finished emptying out the fridge, basically taking out everything that I don't need. And I just realized I've had so much shit just lying in the fridge that I think at some point I convinced myself that I was gonna eat later on, but I never got to it. Like, this is so bad. I'm gonna show y'all all the things that I have to throw out, and then we're gonna start throwing it out. And I also have to wash a lot of these containers because I do save plastic containers and then use it later on, because I do end up using the plastic containers for my baking class. So I never really throw out plastic. I always try to recycle it. So yeah, we're gonna throw all of this out and then wash all the dishes. So let's go. These are egg yolks that I'd saved to make dessert out of, but I bet they're spoiled now. These are some poached pears that I made at class, and I thought I was gonna like eat them, so I saved them, but I never really end up eating them. This is some like rice pudding that I made when I was sick, but I never really finished it. And then I have to throw all of these out as well.
You're always getting dough.
So I just finished throwing out all the things that I don't need, and now I'm just left with a shit ton of containers to wash. So we're gonna insert washing montage right now. Quick update, I just got done washing all of those dishes like you just saw, and I'm pretty much done with the kitchen. I cleaned up the closets, I cleaned up the fridge as well, so I'm done. I did all the dishes, so they're on the dish rack drying, so I'm just gonna let that be, and I'm gonna come back and empty the dish rack in the evening or in the night when I come back down. I'm gonna grab a quick snack and we're gonna head on up to my room. We're gonna get to cleaning my room now. I did get really lazy and think for like 2 seconds that I should just do it tomorrow. But that's basically what I've been doing the past few weeks, is just making excuses for myself, and that's something I promised to stop doing this year. So I didn't want to break my resolution on the first day of the year. I like feel so bad even showing y'all my room because it's so freaking messy right now. But yeah, this is just how my room looks. I have no excuses for myself. But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a quick tour of the mess that I currently am living in, and then we're gonna clean this up and I'm gonna show y'all an after.
That microphone track.
This is basically a DIY rack that I built to store all my makeup and my skincare, and it's a big mess, so we're just gonna rearrange all of those. So this is my bedside table, and clearly it's a wreck. So I'm done cleaning my entire room, if I may say so. I'm gonna give y'all a quick after, so let's go. Actually, that pile of clothes is not here anymore. This is now a laundry basket, and I'm actually gonna do the laundry tomorrow, so that's gonna go away. This is so much cleaner. I organized all of this, put everything into the dustbin, organized this. We also organized all my makeup and my skincare. This is so much cleaner. I aligned all my shoes and put all of this in. My bed is completely clean. I also, let's see, I also cleaned all of this up and organized it. I organized this small basket that I have beside my bed, put my mirror back. We also cleaned up my bedside table. There are a few Polaroids which I have to put back onto the wall because they fell off. And there's also that little dabba which I have to take downstairs. I cleaned this whole section up. Yeah, so I'm basically done cleaning my room. Hey, what's up, you guys? It is quite a few days later. I think it's about 10 days later. I just finished editing this vlog finally. I got super busy with the first week of college and all of that stuff, so finally got this edited, and I realized that I didn't really have an outro, so I wanted to come in and do my outro. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do let me know in the comments down below if y'all want to see more clean with me's or just like super chill videos where I'm just chilling at home. Let me know if y'all like these chill out videos. I will definitely make more of them. But yeah, don't forget to like this video, comment down below any future video ideas that y'all have for me, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the bell notifications so you're notified every time I post new videos. And I shall see y'all in my next video. Bye.